Three wonderful Corvettes in one garage. There's Brian and Ben working on the 62, and I have begun working on installing a new air filter into my C8 Corvette and thought I'd share it with you. Here we go. Welcome to Road Odyssey. Thank you for joining me. If you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe, and if you're on Rumble, please follow. A little while back, I had this video of fun C8 parts. Within this, I did an unboxing of an tact blue air filter. These are supposed to be really good air filters. So mine, I had bought off of RPI. Ultimately ended up paying about $150 for this. They're said to, be very good filters. About 11 horsepowers added to your output of the engine. Washable, reusable, sounds great, blah, blah, blah. And after doing this install, it seems like a really good air filter. I will have to agree with the advertisement. So here it is, the tact blue air filter. Really nice. And it does come with instructions. You need to review the instructions before you install. So let's get into the install process. Step number one, you're going to take off these, the little round guys. They're like the net retainers or whatever, and they just screw off. There's two of them, even though I kind of took off a couple of extra by accident. Then you're going to need a drill bit, a Torx drill bit for these little screws on the target top brackets. But ultimately, three tools here. A small Torx screwdriver is what I prefer, and then the clip puller tool. And here you go. Just getting out these screws and taking the brackets off is extremely easy. So all you need is a screwdriver. Now, down at the bottom, that's where you need the clip puller. And I used the flathead screwdriver a little bit to assist me. Just made it a lot easier and better on the clip. So there is that trunk liner taken out, just that one portion of it. Now you got to go all around the rim of the engine cover. And so there's several of these screws, 15, 20 of them, I didn't count. So just get that screwdriver out. They should be easy to take out. If you wanted to use the drill, you can, just be careful. Now, there's that trunk cover, the engine cover right there. So now you're down to the air filter cover, and there's 6 of these nuts, or bolts, 8mm deep socket is what I used. That was so much easier to keep a hold of. And so get those 6 out, and you're down to the air filter. Now I'm showing you the gasket around. And that gasket, you really need to be careful when you're prying off the air filter cover. So that's why I showed you that real quick. So now we're up to, I just wanted to show you the trunk liner, the trunk engine cover, and the air filter cover. Those are the 3 layers you are taking off. So now that you've exposed the air filter, I pulled down from the top. So I just angled it down and slowly took it out. You can see all kinds of debris that has been caught. And here I'm showing you, go around that gasket and make sure it's in there very well. This is something that you don't want to mess up. So be real careful with that and get it back into place. Then I go and I wiped all this stuff out. Well, I shop vacuumed it. And then just got some cleaner and cleaned the inside of this out. Water and a rag, no big deal. Just clean this thing out before proceeding. Now, once you have gotten all that done, please review the instructions. They tell you how to install the filter. Yes, it's got to be warmed up a little bit. There's just little things here to look at. So you push it in from bottom to top and just kind of go from there. So that's pretty much it. Just button it all back up in reverse order and be happy that now you've got a wonderful air filter back in that great C8 Corvette. I really enjoyed being at Yellow Jacket Garage to do this install. And I really hope y'all just relax, take it easy. I'll see you later. If you're on YouTube, please like and subscribe. If you're on Rumble, please follow. And with that, I will see you later. Bye.